I want to share a little more about nasal breathing and health. Did you know that it helps with posture and muscle function, like the head, the spinal curves, jaw muscle tension, pharynx and larynx? It also helps with ear health, lung health, nasal health, of course, oral health, oral motor issues, throat health, and sleep. Nasal breathing can help stabilize breathing and airway during sleep, less snoring and sleep apnea. Also helps with breathing, less hyperventilation, breathlessness, and dysfunctional breathing. When I read the James Nestor's book Breathe, it really brought to my attention that nasal breathing at an early age is really beneficial for the growth of the face, teeth and jaws, such as straight teeth, balanced jaw. Maybe your priorities in life is not nasal breathing, and that's okay. I always say my defining moment in 2016 was climbing a mountain with minimal clothing. It was minus 17 degrees and 60 kilometers per hour chill factor. All I know, it was very cold because my hair and my eyelashes froze. That mountain for me was a light bulb moment in my life on so many levels. When I had the chance to finally digest what had happened, I realised I never really gave much credit to my body in a functional way. My neocortex ruled my life, for all my life. Obviously, in the moment of climbing the mountain, my thoughts quietened and my body took over. And perhaps it was nasal breathing and my nose that got me up the mountain. Since then, it has been my secret weapon that got me to run a marathon and an ultra marathon. And no one could quite believe that I didn't do any conventional running training, because back in 2017, when nasal breathing and nose breathing wasn't quite the awareness that it is today, people's perception couldn't grasp it. So why is it a secret? Why don't more people know about the amazing noses and nasal breathing? In society, I think it's been forgotten, or we're too busy to give it any value. I see many people are advocating their power over to society's norms today. I believe health is the new wealth. Understanding you have a beautiful, intelligent body that is there for you. And actually, science and research hasn't caught up yet. Meanwhile, I'll leave you and we'll go full circle, and I'll bring you back to your neocortex. Who and what funds the scientific studies? And when has science ever treated the root cause and not just a symptom?